Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and yes, you can now in 24H2 archive and compress files with more than just zip compression, which is really nice. Microsoft has started to add the compression and decompression features for archives and File Explorer already in 23H2, but is adding more as time goes by. 24H2 also is adding the capability of making compressed archives. So for example, if you take a folder and you right click on it, and then you will have compress to, you will see that now you can compress to zip, to 7-zip, TAR, and there's additional options which also gives you the compression methods and all the information that you might want to actually use and the different types of formats that you will use. So this is pretty cool, as this is a feature that you used to have a third-party software to decompress and compress these files and these archives, and now having it native within the File Explorer I think is a good idea. To note, if you do compress and decompress a lot, it is noted that the File Explorer's features are not as fast and as quick as the ones from third-party software, but they are good, and for most people it'll probably be enough. And this is nice. No need to install third-party software to do compression of archives and so on. To add to the information, for those that wonder why would we want to do this, well, for example, say you would want to send a small file either through email, or you want to send a folder that you would share with others. The problem is when you share only folders themselves that contain tons of files, it's kind of not really useful to do it just by taking a folder. Often it will be better if you can compress it, which means it's going to also take less space, and send it as one file rather than one folder, which might contain tons of subfolders and tons of files. So compression is, or archives are good for that, makes them smaller, and it's only one big file or one file that you're sending out rather than a million different files. Once the person at the other end receives this, well, they just decompress the archive and it recreates the folder and the different subfolders and files for them. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.